Is your bathroom fan giving you problems? Well, today we're going to show you how to replace the motor on it. Won't that be fun? Let's go. First thing we must do is pull down the grate and remove these things. This is spring-loaded, goes into a slot on both sides of the fan. So here's where I pulled those springy clips out of. There's one slot here and there's one slot over here. It looks a little dirty. Well, we're gonna fix that. So this is in two sections. This is the motor part. This housing will pull out and we'll replace the motor, and then we'll clean everything up. Show you how that works. First, we unplug the fan. Here's the motor, and we'll pull this out. So there's one screw here that I have to take off. Here's the screw. Give it a little bit of a tug. And this part comes out. Yuck! Here's what's left. Yuck! Let's clean that up. Let's take it out to the workbench though and show you how you fix this. So here we go. This is the motor housing and this is the motor attached with these two nuts and bolts. And on the other side is the fan part that spins around and gets the smelly part out of your bathroom. So we're gonna replace this and this, and all we have to do is go buy the kit at the Home Improvement Center. So let's go and do that. So this is usually in the HVAC center, you know, where all the ducting is and stuff, and it's right over here. Let's go. So this is the bathroom fan section. Lots of bathroom fans, brand new ones. Cost a lot of dough, but we're gonna save some money, and oh, look at this. The motor and the fan. 13 bucks. And that's all we're gonna need, so let's go. So here we are back in the shop. Here's what we got at the store. Let's push that off to the side and remove the motor from this rusty housing. First thing we have to do is take off the fan. Just like that. Okay, well, I kind of broke that, but we have a replacement in the box. Take a picture with your cell phone to see how everything went together first. Remember, the fins went down on this and it was onto that rod and it was on this side. So make a mental note as to how it goes on, because that's how you're gonna put the other one back on. We may have to reverse the screws, but we'll find out. Let's get this off first. Now, do you remember how it went on? If we flip it over, do a little bit of this and a little bit of that, how did it go back together? I don't remember. Look at your cell phone picture. But for me, it went like, oh, see, now it's all falling apart. Oh boy, we're gonna have to go back to the cell phone picture. I don't remember. What is all of this stuff? Oh boy, look at the shaft is crooked on it. That could be why it's not working so well. You could clean this up and re-grease it and lube it up, but why not just get a new one for 15 bucks? Oh, I'm sorry, it was $13.99. Plus tax, of course. So around $15. Look, it's terrible. This is just dust and moisture from the room. Also probably farts. And it kind of smells like feet. So it's not in good shape. But so let's get rid of that. Goodbye. And we're gonna work on this. I'm gonna take it over to the laundry tub and scrub her down. So that's clean enough, don't you think? Here's our new motor. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on first, okay? So we'll just shove it onto here and maybe take the end of my screwdriver and just give it a couple of whacks. There, how's that? That looks good. Okay, spin, good. So now we have that all hooked up to the motor. And here's the old housing. Oh no, how does it go back together? Okay, I looked at my cell phone picture. I'm not lying to you, because I forgot. All right, goes like this, through the holes. Okay, and then I'm going to grab the old nuts that I took off the old one and put them on. And let me show you a secret. You probably know this about the screwdriver I've been using. It's a 6-in-1. So it's got 6 things on the screwdriver. I'll show you. Here's the screwdriver. Take it apart. Right? So you've got, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are flat heads. There's Phillip. And then this is a little mini wrench. One size is here. One size is here. And one of these sizes fits on here. And it's that one. Huh? I can put the handle back on for a little more torque. That is a handy screwdriver. I think that only cost me like $5. Pretty nice. So, goes back on here. Flip it around. Okay, so now we're all set with this. So we feed the cord through this other side, and then it's going to plug in here. It goes up into the ceiling like this. Let's plug it in and see if it works here in the shop with the extension cord. Just for fun. Here's a plug-in, because this is what it's going to do up in the ceiling, just be plugged in. Ooh. Ooh. So it's back up the ladder to the hole in the ceiling. This is the best I could get it cleaned. But see, those are the 2 slots that we're going to take these 2, shove them in the 2 slots, like so. Push it up, back to where it was, and we'll stick that screw in there right there and plug it in. I can plug it in right now. Probably don't even need the screw, but kind of don't want it falling on you when you're in the bathroom. How embarrassing. Now we'll put the clips back in, and we'll push it up into spot, let those clips sink up into the slot, and there you go. Okay, let's turn it on. Well, not bad. There it is. Hey, if you liked this video and it was informative, click the like button below and subscribe to my page, and we'll see you later.